guys, make a DIY paper baking with me. I don't know what it's called. But still there. So especially all of them has notes. And I'm gonna show you the finished one. So the finished ones are this one. And it looks so cute. You can turn it off, turn off. I think that's, there, it's off. Then you turn it on. And there you can watch. Then this one, it looks so cute. It's a bread. It's finished, but the bread is still there. It's so cute. What's this? I think you put it here. Oh.
Where?
Bread and toast. I think this is the one because it has, where's the egg one? Maybe, baka hindi pa.
Baka menu lang yan, menu.
Menu. Let me look at the other ones. Cute washing machine. This is so cute. Damn.
Daddy, patugtugin mo ulit yung ano. Sa pusa.
Ha?
Sa pusa.
Ano?
Yung sa pusa.
Pusa?
Ano?
Ayan, wala ka na.
Look. That's so cute.
Sabi mo pa kasi pwede pa din. Mali.
It's almost ending.